Baby, you rang in 2011, and I'm not talking to you, Juliet. A little hard last night. Now you're paying the price, but that headache and hangover doesn't have to last all day.
Because we're here for you. Here with some tips to get you back on your feet is nutrition expert and founder of Decision Nutrition, Karen Gilbert, back with us.
Yes, I'm back.
If you slept through the last segment that we had with you,
most people did, I'm sure.
or they're going to sleep right now, we're gonna cure some hangover.
Yes,
for all you folks out there.
Yeah.
Why do we have asparagus sitting in front of us?
Well, asparagus, because people that drank last night were intoxicated. So now today is a day to detox. So asparagus is a great detoxifier. It has an antioxidant called glutathione, which is great for your liver. So you wouldn't think asparagus would help you out today, but it is a great food.
I want to continue with the berries and the celery and things, but I do want to ask you about some of the things that people use, regardless of whether they think they're good. Matthew Thatcher uses sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit with hash browns from McDonald's. Cade uses McDonald's double cheeseburger and Diet Pepsi. So before we get to all of these, why don't greasy food products that I enjoy, Wendy's myself, why doesn't that work?
Well, it's not that they don't work. It's just that when you drink alcohol, your blood glucose levels go way down. So you're feeling really malnourished, you're feeling headachy, you're feeling tired. So you want those comfort foods, and they do, for the moment, probably make you feel better, but when you fill yourself up with all that saturated fat and grease,
you just fall asleep afterwards, let's be honest.
It just is counterproductive because it makes you
For the long haul.
For the long haul, like that, the nighttime, you probably won't be feeling so great. So if you start off right, then you'll probably be...
So asparagus, celery, berries are great for you. A lot of antioxidants.
Have so many antioxidants.
Cabbage?
Cabbage is just, it's actually, there have been studies done that, I know cabbage is not something we think about when we're hungover and this morning, but it's actually interesting because cabbage does cure headaches. There have been studies that has anti-inflammatory substances in it that help with the headache. So it's just something I often suggest if, once you're feeling better, then you can...
A nice little bowl of cabbage.
In here is kind of the refueling zone.
Yes,
Pasta, oatmeal, rice. Why do these things work?
Yeah, well, because you are searching for comfort. So I think carbs are a great choice, but I always say go for the complex carbs because they release the carbs slowly, and because your blood sugar levels are so low, you want to have that slow increase.
So give us a couple examples of complex carbs as opposed to regular.
Okay, well, complex carbs are anything that's kind of brown. So it would be wheat pasta, brown rice, oatmeal is a great choice, but if you're feeling like pasta or wheat crackers, which I have over there, forgot about those, but yeah, so you can have wheat crackers, and it's just it'll be more beneficial. You'll feel better.
It's all counterintuitive.
Now, most of my friends usually go for hair of the dog, but this is actually a virgin Bloody Mary.
Virgin. Don't put the vodka in the tomato juice. But tomato juice, you lost a lot of electrolytes. So tomato juice is a great choice because it has potassium, sodium, magnesium, and it could really perk you up. And
no, she's kidding. Hair of the dog, bad idea because it just prolongs the pain.
It's a bad idea. I know that people
just puts it off.
Yes, I know it's one of those folk tales that you can have that. Yeah, well, you know what? You're already toxic. You already put the poison in your body last night. You don't need more. You don't need more.
Turn off the spigot. Why a lemon in the water last night?
Lemon is great for your liver. It helps cleanse you. It's a natural cleanser of your liver. So why not just add the lemon to your water? It'll help you out today.
Great tips. Good. I hope all of you are feeling better already. Yeah, your little bowl of coleslaw today.
Happy New Year.
Thanks, Karen, for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.